Hello my dear students, as we completed lesson number 1, chapter number 1, that is numbers. Let's revise from today. We will revise the whole chapter. First we saw Indian place value and international place value. Let's see. Indian place value chart. We will simultaneously study and we will see here international place value simultaneously. International place value. International place value chart and Indian place value chart both simultaneously. Today we will study. Now see. As the common thing is the first period is one's period, or we can say the units period also. One's period in Indian place value has, we know that, having three places: ones place, tens place, and hundred place. As you see here, I will continue these lines, if you will understand. This is ones period, having ones, tens, and hundred. In Indian place value and international place value, both periods, first period, that is one's period, having same values or same places. That is ones, tens, hundred. Here also ones, tens, hundred. Second period is thousands period. Thousands period in Indian place value. Second period is thousand period, and thousand periods contain thousand and 10,000. TTH we are writing 10,000. Here the period ends. We will extend these lines. In Indian place value, second period is also thousand period, and thousand period contain here two places. In international place value, second period is also thousands period, and but here thousand periods contain three places. That is thousand TTH means 10,000, HTH means 100,000, and here the place ends. Understand? We will see, go ahead like this. Means here we will put in Indian place value. Next period is lakhs period. Lakhs period contains again two places, lakh and 10 lakh. Here the period ends. Same we will go down. Then after lakhs period, crores period. Crore also having two places, that is crore and TCR means 10 crore. We will go like this down. Now, rushing towards international base value, first period, ones period, second thousands period contains three places. Now, next is millions period. Millions period period contain again three places, that is million, 10 million, 100 million. Understand? Now I will write one number. First I will write up to lakh. Same number I will write here. See here, same 2 4 3 5 0 3. Now we will compare. First 3 digit comma, because in Indian place value first period contains 3 digits, so comma, then contain 2, then after 2 digit comma. Let's see here in thousands period, in international place value, each and every periods contains, it may be ones, it may be thousand, it may be million, it may be billion, it may be trillion, or will have 3 places, 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma, like this. three places. See, we will read in Indian place value as well as international. See, here 2 is in lakhs period, so 2 lakh 43 is in thousands period, 2 lakh 43,503. Same number if we put in international place value. See, lakh is 6 digit number, so count 1 2 3 4 6 digit number. Which one is the 6 digit number in international place value? This is 100,000. 2 is in 100,000 place. So 243. 243 is in thousands period. So how to read this one? 243,503. Understand? Means 1 lakh we saw in our previous video, the relation between these two. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. Then next I will add one again more digit. 9 is in 10 lakhs place. So I will add here 9, same places. Here 9 is in millions place, means 1 million suppose is equal to 1 million. Million is a 6 digit number and here 10 lakh is a 6 digit number. Here if I wrote 1 million, 10 lakh. 10 lakh means 1 million equals 10 lakh or 10 lakh equals 1 million. Likewise, now here again I will add one more digit, 4, here also 4. So here 40 is in millions period. So 40 million, here this 4 is in 1 crore place. So 1 crore equals 10 million. 1 crore equals 10 million. And again I will add one digit, means 10 crore place. So 10 crore equal, again I will add here 7 suppose. So 749 million means 100 million place, means 100 million equals 10 crores or 10 crore equals 100 millions. We saw this one, right? So see the basic difference in Indian place value and international. This is the basic difference, Indian place value and international place value. As you know, means one period has 3 places here in Indian place value, international also 3 places. Then next period is thousands period has 2 places in Indian place value, and in international 1000 periods has 3 places. Then in Indian place value lakhs period having 2 places, international place value next period is millions period having 3 places. Likewise, these are the major difference between these two place value systems. Then rushing towards our place value and face value, we saw the place value and face value. I told you face value is face, doesn't change. Face value does not change if you put the digit anywhere in any places, understand? But the place value changes according to their position or their place, right? We can, it's a one shortcut method for finding the place value. It's very easy. Let's find the place value of 5340 or 49. Find the place value, or else we can increase 25,249. Find the place value. Suppose the question is like this: find the place value of 2 in the following number. Very simple. Shortcut method I will tell you. It's very easy, right? Place value 1, 10, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Very simple. 2. After 2, how many digits are there? 4 and 9. Means 2 digits are there. Means 2 places. So put that much zeros. What? The place value of 2 here is 200. It's very easy. Shortcut method. And the place value of 2 is here, 2 is in 1000 place. So suppose you don't know 2 is in 1000 place, but you know the number 2 is here. So 2, write 2. After 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many digits are there? 4 digits. So put 4 zeros. So what is the place value of 2? 20,000. Right? So by this way you can find out easily the place value and face value. It's a shortcut method. Understand? And what about the face value? Face value does not change. 2's face value is 2 here, here also 2. Because if you put the digit, the number anywhere, the digit anywhere, the face value does not change. Understand? The difference between place value and face value. How to find out place value? Place value. Okay. Next, rushing towards the names we saw. We saw the expanded form. Expanded form. Suppose write the expanded form of 49,345. Write the expanded form. We can write expanded form by 3 different ways. Understand? But you should not mix it. If you mix it, then you will not get marks. Either you can write 1. See how to write expanded form of 49,345. Ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. This is very important, essential to write or to by heart first. Then no need to write. Understand? Now how to write expanded form? By this way, number 1, you can write like this also. 4, as I told you previous. 4. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write that much zeros. 4 multiplied by 10,000. I come to this again. Plus 9. After 9, 1, 2, 3 digits are there. Put 3 zeros instead of 3 digits. Then 3 is there. Put 3. 2 digits are there. Instead of these 2 digits, put 0. Then plus 4 is there. After 4, 1 digit, 1 put 1 0, and then 5. 4. 40,000 plus 9,000 plus 3,000 plus 40 plus 5. If you add this, you will get this number. Understand? Expanded form. Then by next method, how to write expanded form in another way is you can write 4 is in which place? 10,000 place. So you can write 4 in number 4 10,000 plus 9 is 1000 place. So 9,000 plus 3 is in 100 place. So 300. Sorry. You can write 3 is in number. 3 plus 4 tens place 4 tens plus 5 ones. You can write like this also, or you can write either this one in words also. 40 it will come 40,000 in words. 40,000 plus 9,000 plus 300 plus 4 tens plus 5 ones. Or you can write here instead of 4 tens, you can write here 40 also. 40 and here 5. Like this also in words. Okay, means 40,000 plus 9,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 5. Understand? And third method is you can write 4. 4 is in which place? 10,000 place. So 4 multiplied by 10,000 plus 9 is in thousands place. 9 multiplied by 1,000 plus 3 is in 100 place. So 3 multiplied by 100 plus 4 is in tens place. So 4 multiplied by 10 plus 5 is in ones place. So 5 multiplied by 1. Understand? You can write by any method. You can use any one by writing the expanded form. Right? It is very easiest method to write this one. So you can prefer this one. Right? It's very easy. I told you a shortcut method. Put this, write the number, count the digits, and put that with zeros. Simple. Understand? Any problem regarding this? Okay. I hope you revise at home. Revising at home, it will be better, because see, maths means practice. Practice. There is no shortcut method in mathematics. Only you need practice and practice. Unless and until you will not do practice, so it's not a one day match or 2020. You need practice, more practice, again and again. Understand? Next, comparing numbers. We saw the comparing numbers. How to compare numbers? First thing, I gave you the rules. How to compare numbers? First, count the digit. Right? Suppose 4,390. Suppose we want to compare 46,340. First count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Which one is greater? Simply the 5 digits will be. Understand? Like this. Second rule. After comparing, suppose the digits are same. Then you have to go through which is the highest place here. Right here. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000. 1,000 place is highest. So starting from higher places. Compare this 4 with this 1,000 with this 1,000. 4, 6. 6 is greater. So this number. Likewise, you have suppose the both are same. Then go through 100 place. Here 3. Here also 3. Same. Then tens place 9. Here 4. Then this number will be here because 9 is greater. 90, 40. Understand? This like this way you have to compare the numbers. Then ascending and descending order. You know very well. Ascending, descending. Ascending and descending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger, you know that. Smaller to larger. Smaller to larger or smaller to bigger, and descending. Dhakka, I said. D stands for dhakka. If you push anyone, if you give dhakka to anyone, he will or she will fall down, not up. So descending order. Right. So larger to smaller. Understand? Ascending and descending order. Then we saw the predecessor and successor. Predecessor means means previous number, means before number. Successor means after number. Likewise, last year you are in third standard. Now you are promoted to fourth standard. Means you got success, right? Means add one to the ones place. Understand? Predecessor and successor means after number and before number. Right? Then we saw rounding off. Rounding off to the nearest nearest 10, 100 and 1000. We saw nearest 10 here. Which number is it? Is important? You have to focus on tens and underline the tens place. Focus on ones place. Check the ones place is from group number 1 and group number A and B. I told you here. Group number A is group A contains which numbers? I told you 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. If the ones place visit is from group number A, that is 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, then there is no change in which place? Tens place. In 100, rounding up to the nearest 100, no change in 100 place. Rounding up to the nearest 1000, no change in 1000 place. If the here nearest number is ones place is belonging to this group A, or here tens place is belonging to this number, or here 100 place is belonging to this number 1, 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Then no change. Here tens place no change, here 100 place no change, and here 1000 place no change. Understand? But the here round up to the nearest 10. If the number is from group B, which are the group B numbers? Memorize. Yes, right. 5 or more than 5 means if the number is here, ones place number is 5 or greater than 5. Which numbers are greater than 5? 6, 7, 8 and 9. If the numbers are from group B, here ones place numbers are from group B, means instead of 0 here 5 is there, or 6 is there, or 7 is there, or 8 is there, or 9 is there, then we will have to add 1 to your tens place, add 1 to here tens place. If rounding up to the nearest 100 is there, then we have to add 1 to 100 place. If the rounding off to the nearest 1000 place is there, then you will have to add 1 to 1000 place. Understand? It's very easy, but it needs practice. Got it? So this is very important. And then we saw the Roman numerals. Roman numerals. Basic, we know that basic certain symbols are there which are very important basic symbols. Which one are? That is 1 means I, then 5 means V, then 10 for 10 X is there, then yes 50 as Lucy madam, then 100 for 100, yes very good, Chavan sir is there, then 500 for 500, Dipali madam is there, D, and 1000 Mote sir. Understand? These are the basic symbols we discussed. These are the basic symbols of Roman numerals. And I told you in Roman numerals there is no symbol for 0. Understand? And I said again one thing in that video, I said previous video, if you put a line or bar, suppose this is V, and if I put bar here, a sleeping line on the top of the symbol, means the value of this V means we know that 5, but if you as well as you put the bar on the piece, the value of this V increase by 1000 times. So what is the first V means 5. Now if I put bar means 5 multiplied by 1000, the value will be 5000. Understand? By this way we revise all lessons. Then also if you are having any query, okay, then I will send my number, you can ask me. Okay, thank you, we will see next video.